Dear students, I would like to explain an important problem. Show that sigma over r is equal to 0 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to whole square is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 whole by 12. Show that sigma over r equal to 0 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 whole by 12. Now for the solution, LHS is equal to sigma over r is equal to 0 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 whole square. Now it is equal to sigma over r equal to 0 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 is n minus r plus 1 by r whole square. Since NCR by NCR minus 1 is equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Now it equal sigma over r equal to 0 to n r cube into n plus 1 minus r whole square whole by r square. Then numerator and denominator r square gets cancelled. We get sigma r equal to 0 to n r into n plus 1 treat as a, r treat as b, then it is a minus b whole square, that is n plus 1 whole square minus 2 into n plus 1 into r plus r square. Now write down the sigma notation separately. We get n plus 1 whole square into sigma over r is equal to 0 to n r minus 2 into n plus 1 into sigma over r is equal to 0 to n r into r square plus sigma over r is equal to 0 to n r into r square is r cube. Okay, now that is equal to n plus 1 whole square into sigma over r equal to 0 to n, r is sigma n minus 2 into n plus 1 into sigma over r equal to 0 to n, r square is sigma n square, and sigma over r equal to 0 to n, r cube is sigma n cube. Therefore sigma r equal to 0 to n, sigma r is 0 plus 1 plus 2, r equal to 1, r equal to 2, r equal to 3 plus and so on, r equal to n, we get plus n, that is sigma n. Similarly, sigma r equal to 0 to n, r square is 0 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square equal sigma n square. Similarly, r equal to 0 to n, r cube is 0 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on, plus n cube is equal sigma n cube. Sigma n cube. So therefore, and sigma n equal n into n plus 1 by 2, comma, sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, comma, sigma n cube equal n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4, using by the result from our function n plus 1 whole square into sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into n plus 1 into sigma n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 whole by 6 plus n cube is sigma n cube is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Take n into n plus 1 whole square as a common throughout, then we get n plus 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2n plus 1 by 6 and n by 4. Take LCM brackets n plus 1 whole square into, okay, is LCM, then it is 2 into 6, that is 6 into n plus 1 minus 6 twos, 2 twos 4 into 2n plus 1, then 4 into 3, that is 3n. Now n into n plus 1 whole square into 6n plus 6 minus 8n minus 4 plus 3n whole by 12. That is n into n plus 1 whole square, 6n plus 3n, 9n minus 8n is n, plus 6 plus minus 4 is 2, n plus 2, whole by 12. Therefore, it is RHS. Okay, then, okay, show that sigma r equal 0 to n r cube into NCR by NCR minus 1 equal whole square equal n into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 12. Okay, for the proof you can follow the following steps.